comparison, irregular comparison, that means irregular means there is no pattern. There is no pattern. Yes. What is the first one?
bad,
Bad. Comparative form.
worse,
Worse.
worst,
Worst. When we take that coronavirus, the first one is very bad. Second one is how?
worse,
Worse than the first one. Then third one is
The
the
most.
worst,
the
the
worst.
worst,
Did you understand? The first one is
yes,
bad. First virus is bad. Then when we talk about the second virus is worse than the first
yes,
virus. When we take the third virus is the worst. Did you understand?
Yes,
Did you,
teacher.
yes, teacher,
yes. Then next one.
good,
Yes.
Better.
Better.
better,
Huh?
Best.
best,
Best. Then little.
little,
Lesser.
lesser,
Lesser.
least,
Least. Many.
many,
Many.
more,
Most.
most,
Much also
all,
same පුතේ here much also same much more most මෙතන much තිබුණා නම් ඒත් එහෙමයි much more most next one
Old.
old
old,
older
older,
Oldest.
oldest or
elder,
eldest
eldest,
right then
Far.
far,
father
father,
fathers. Here you have to remember not your father, father, not father. Here you must include R definitely, right? එහෙම නැත්නම් that resemble your father, right? එහෙම වුණොත් එහෙම තමුන්ගේ තාත්තා වෙනවා මෙතන. That is far means හුඟක් දුර. Then father, farthest. Next one,
further, furthest,
furthest. Right,
furthest,
right, okay. Now here that you can do your activity in page 57, right? In your page 57. Before that you can do your in your own. Then next day before starting the lesson I will discuss it. Here that orally you can discuss this one. Though Joe's car isn't very fast, he wants a what?
New one.
Faster one, right? He wants a faster one, right? Next one, my job is very interesting. I want to do something. Sorry, my job is, yes, sorry, my job isn't
more,
very interesting, so I want to
more interesting,
more interesting, right? Next, more interesting, right? Next one, the weather isn't very warm today. What's the word we have to take? Warm. Yes.
warm,
Yes. This one. Yesterday. Warmer. Yesterday it was
warmer,
warmer. It was warmer. Next one. People aren't very polite today. Here you have to use polite. Yes.
in the past
They were
politer,
no
more
more
polite,
polite. Right? More polite. Next one. This sofa isn't very comfortable.
that one is more comfortable,
More comfortable. Yes. Next one. This coat is nice, but I think the other one is
nice,
nicer. The other one is nicer.
nicer,
Right. Next one. Right. Here, write these sentences using superlative form. Right. Here, that earlier we discussed comparative form. This is superlative form. The girl told of the three. There is three. That means more than three. So, how do you write the sentence? How do you write the sentence? I will that give the example. First one, the girl is taller than of the three, right? The first girl in the girl is tall. This girl is taller than out of the three. අනික් අය අනික් තුන් දෙනාගේ වැඩිම that උස එක්කෙනා මේ girl, right? The girl is taller than out of the three. තුන් දෙනාගෙම වැඩිම එක්කෙනා. Right. Next one. That
The pyramid is
Yes.
more ancient out of
The
the
pyramid is more ancient of the three.
more than there are three. The most නේද? The pyramid
The
is
pyramid is
huh?
The
most ancient.
The most ancient.
ancient.
Yes, the most ancient out
The
of
most
the
ancient.
three. Right? The pyramid is the most ancient out of the
Out of the
three.
three.
Right. This one, this athlete, good athletic in the world. Yes?
this
The
Athlete,
this
athlete,
athlete
is
is the best athlete in the world.
is the world.
yes, this athlete is the best athlete in the world. Fourth one,
February is the shortest
month in the year.
In the
right.
year.
February is the shortest month in the year. Last one,
The red apple
The red apple is the sweetest in the bowl.
Apple in the bowl.
yes, the red apple is the sweetest apple in the bowl. Right. Now you can tell me what is the correct word, correct part, right? I think Albert Einstein was here the most brilliant scientist in the world. Here,
most brilliant
yeah, yes.
Most brilliant.
Here, there is the මෙතන the තියෙන නිසා අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම the most brilliant වෙන්න ඕනේ. The most brilliant scientist in the world. Next one, I am a good, better, best swimmer than my brother.
Better.
Yes, because, yes, here is then, so you have to write that better, right? Next one, mom is the busiest person in the family. Yes,
Busiest.
yes. Mom is the කියනවා the කියනකොට අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම මොකද වෙන්න ඕනේ? busiest person in the family. Next one, what is the most expensive car in the world? Yes,
Most
expensive car in the
expensive car. What is the most expensive car in the world? Next one, London is rainiest than Athens. Yes, rainier because there is then, so you can write London is rainier than Athens. Right. Next one, the book was most frightening than the film.
More frightening.
Yes.
Frightening.
Yes, more frightening than the film. Here, than is there, so we have to use more frightening because the book, it compare the book and the film. Book එකයි film එකයි දෙක compare කරලා තමයි කියන්නේ. එතකොට more frightening. Did you understand? තේරුණාද?
yes
Yes, teacher.
Right. Okay, now you can take your that reading book, right? Reading part, page 59. Page 59. Here, that is the new vocabulary. Right? Here, what is the first word? What's the first word?
Picture.
Yes, picturesque. What's the
Picturesque.
meaning? What's the meaning?
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Then quantity,
Amount.
amount. Yes. Gorge,
Difficult.
Difficult road.
road or path. Next one, causeway.
Raised
Raised
path
path
by a
by
road.
By a road or
Yes.
ground.
Yes, causeway means raised path by the road or that wet ground. That is called that sapattu palang කියලා කියන්නේ පුතේ අපි. Have you heard? දන්නවද? That is sapattu palang causeway, right? Next one here, that volcanic eruption.
Volcano
Volcano becomes active or ejects lava.
Yes, volcanoes become active. අර ගිනි කඳු active වෙලා ඒ කියන්නේ ක්‍රියාකාරී වෙලා eject lava. lava එළියට එන්නේ. අන්න ඒක තමයි volcanic eruption කියන්නේ. Then spring. What's the meaning of spring? Water spouts, right? Okay, let's read the activity 5.8. Here are some photos that were in Lahiru's photo album. They are some of the most beautiful and breathtaking place in the world. Right. Now you can read the first one. Read the first one. Here there are 4 pictures that Lahiru's album. They are some of the most beautiful pictures, and that breathtaking means that we are unable to believe, right? That is what in the world. Read the first one loudly.
Hiller Lake. Pink
Ah.
Lake.
This is the only lake.
This is the only lake that has colorful water.
The only lake has colorful water. Have birds and strange color is due to the presence of
Algae, right? Here, Hiller Lake, Pink Lake, Western Australia. This is the only lake that has colorful water. Scientists have proven the strange pink color is due to the presence of algae. Right. Next one, read the second picture.
Athabasca Falls in
Athabasca
Canada.
Falls in Canada. Athabasca Falls in the
Athabasca Falls is a national park in Canada. It's a powerful and picturesque waterfall.
It is well known for
The large quantity of water sand rock falling into the gorge.
sand rock falling into the gorge. There is a wonderful picnic area around this place.
Right. Okay. Athabasca Falls in Canada. Athabasca Falls in Jasper National Park in Canada is a powerful and picturesque waterfall. It's known for its force due to the large quantity of water along with sand rock falling into the gorge. There is a wonderful picnic area around this place. Puthe, what is the first lesson you have at 7 o'clock in according timetable?